Hey crew, today's video will be a grilled shrimp po' boy. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have jumbo shrimp, black pepper, salt, Creole seasoning, blue plate mayo, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, and we have our po' boy bread. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. And once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our grilled shrimp po' boy recipe. Alright, so we're going to jump right into our grilled shrimp po' boy. I'm going to show y'all how to make a grilled shrimp po' boy. This grilled shrimp po' boy recipe is super easy and simple, straight to the point. You don't need a lot of stuff, but for far as our seasoning, we have black pepper, salt, and Creole seasoning. These are only 3 seasons you need for this grilled shrimp po' boy, and we have our jumbo shrimp. So all I'm gonna do is peel the tails off them, and we're gonna season them up. As long as y'all have the same seasoning and season it to your liking, it's perfectly fine. So, like I said, easy and simple. Alright crew, so we just gonna peel the tails off our shrimp. I'm not gonna bore y'all to death with this, but I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the footage. I make sure to show y'all everything I do step by step. So it's simple, we just gonna peel the tails off. These shrimp are peeled and deveined already. And I did do a fried shrimp po' boy, but I wanted to bring another version to y'all. Those who may not like fried shrimp, you can do it this way. So I'm gonna get these shrimp tails off and I'll be back. Okay, so we have the tails off our shrimp and we washed and cleaned them. Now we're gonna move on to the seasoning part. We have Creole seasoning, salt, and black pepper. We're gonna season these up, and like I said, y'all can season them to your liking. As long as you use these 3 seasonings, you'll be perfectly fine. Alright, so we have our shrimp seasoned. I'm going to show y'all what they look like. Then we're going to move on to the next step of this video for our grilled shrimp po' boy. Okay, so we have our grill pan on the stove on a medium-low heat. We're going to go in with a tablespoon of unsalted butter. So like I said, we have our stove on a medium-low heat. The butter has completely melted. We're going to go in with our shrimp. I'm going to give y'all a close-up of what they look like. Alright, so we have our shrimp in our grill pan, and these will not take long. I promise y'all, probably 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So when I get ready to flip them, I'll bring y'all back. Alright, crew, so if y'all can see how they starting to turn a little pink, we're gonna flip them and let the other side cook. We are going to remove our shrimp. We're going to go in with the rest of our shrimp. So when I get ready to flip these, I'll bring y'all back. So we're about to flip our second batch of our shrimp. We're gonna let them cook down. Then after those cook down, we're gonna remove them. Then we're gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna remove our shrimp. A tablespoon and a half of unsalted butter. We're gonna take our poboy bread. Alright, so we're gonna remove our poboy bread. Okay, so we have our lettuce and our tomatoes. We simply gonna cut up our lettuce and our tomatoes for our grilled shrimp po' boy.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head.
Alright, so we have our lettuce and our tomatoes. And also, if you're looking for a good sharp knife, this knife right here is in my Amazon affiliate link in my description box below. Go check it out.
Sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart. Oh, say I'm not sensitive.
Alright, so we're gonna go in with our lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles.
Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
As y'all know, as always, we're gonna salt and pepper our tomatoes.
Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really try to protect it. I know that you.
So we have our blue plate mayonnaise, our lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles. Now we're gonna go on with our grilled shrimp.
Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. Keep it in.
I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up.
Keep it in here.
Then we'll cut it and we're gonna let Queen try it.
Try being on your own.
So I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up of our grilled shrimp po' boy. Y'all enjoy this close-up.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna move along to the taste test, the part that y'all like. We got Queen here, and as always, y'all know she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion of what she think. If it's nasty, it's nasty. If throw it in the trash, throw it in the trash. But if it's good, she gonna let y'all know. You ready, baby?
I guess so. I guess y'all.
You ain't gonna speak?
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all, I got on the scale this morning. I ain't lying. I gained 8.3 pounds from his food I've been eating lately.
But y'all, I'm just gonna start cooking healthy stuff for her to try.
So this weight ain't coming off. We gonna see. Well, this is healthier. It's a healthier version. It's grilled. It is healthier. I'm gonna put some of this lettuce from the side because it's gonna fall. Let's see. I never had a grilled po' boy before. A grilled shrimp po' boy. I will say that. I always get mine fried. But the shrimp is still moist, evenly cooked. You see how many? Oh Lord, did I lose the shrimp? Oh no. It's evenly cooked. It's seasoned well. It's pairing real well with the lettuce, tomato, and pickles, and fried. It's like if you had a grilled salad.
Yep.
Like if you had a grilled shrimp salad, you just had bread with it.
Croutons.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds you of.
All right.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying, Pops and Queen, we out. Peace. I'm going to say bye, y'all, for her since she walked off.